If you're looking into Legal Intern AI and wondering whether this brand new tool is actually worth using, this review will save you hours of testing. And trust me, point number 6 is something no one else is talking about. You can try Legal Intern AI completely free using the first link in the description, and if you're even slightly involved in legal work, you'll want to see what this can do before it explodes in popularity. So let's get into what you really need to know. Legal Intern AI is designed to act like a paralegal on demand. You upload legal documents, type in questions, or describe what you're working on, and it instantly responds with structured, well-referenced answers. It's like having a 24/7 intern who never sleeps, never misfiles, and doesn't bill you. Now here's where it gets interesting. Unlike ChatGPT or Claude, Legal Intern AI has been fine-tuned specifically for legal use cases. That means when you ask about NDAs, client memos, contract clauses, or compliance issues, it understands the nuance way better than a general-purpose AI. It doesn't just spit out templates. It reasons through your prompt with legal logic. It supports both US federal and state law, and the database is being updated regularly. That's a massive plus for anyone doing research or prepping a client summary. You can even drop in a 50-page document and ask it to find contradictions, suggest edits, or explain the implications. That used to take hours. Now it takes 30 seconds. Another underrated feature, the citation system. Legal Intern AI will pull references, case law, and statutes where applicable, helping you vet the info quickly. This isn't just about saving time, it reduces the risk of making legal errors based on generic AI responses. The UI is clean, distraction-free, and surprisingly intuitive. Whether you're a junior associate or a solo practitioner, there's no steep learning curve here. It feels more like a tool that works with you, not one you have to work around. And here's the part most people miss. Legal Intern AI also keeps a full history of your past conversations. That means if you're working on an ongoing case, it remembers what you've discussed. It acts more like a long-term assistant, not just a chatbot. Now, one thing to be aware of. This isn't replacing your lawyer, it's not giving legal advice, but as an internal research and drafting tool, it's incredible. You still need to verify outputs, but the heavy lifting is done for you. Legal Intern AI has just launched, so right now you can get ahead of the curve. But once it scales, expect pricing tiers and feature restrictions to change, like we've seen with every other good AI tool. If you're in law school, working in legal ops, or building a legal tech business, try it now while it's still early. Again, you can test it totally free from the first link in the description. If you found this helpful, check the description where I've added my top recommended AI tools that you can also try for free. I've tested thousands of these over the past year, and those are the absolute best for productivity, marketing, research, and legal automation. Try them out and thank me later.